Before Roe v. Wade, abortion was illegal in the majority of the country, and because of this, there were many unsafe abortions done in secret, usually putting the mother's life at risk. If the mother's life was not at risk, she could face long-term health complications because of this. She could also, if was caught, be put in jail because secret abortions were obviously legal and non-secret abortions were obviously illegal. Two people behind this case were Jane Roe. She was a very young Texas woman who fought to terminate unwanted pregnancy. Very much so an activist. Henry Wade was a huge advocate for giving pregnant women all options for their pregnancy. He made sure that women had the option to either keep the baby safely, abort the baby safely, or give the baby up for adoption safely.
The constitutional issues that were brought into question were that criminalizing abortion violated the Fourth and Ninth Amendments, but special attention was paid to the Ninth Amendment when the case was brought to the Supreme Court. The Ninth Amendment states that everybody has set rights, and it would be unconstitutional to pick and choose which rights apply to different people. Their argument was that men are in complete charge of their own bodies and their health care, and women are not. The court decided on January 22, 1973, by a 7-2 vote that state regulation on abortion was unconstitutional. They deemed that criminalizing abortion is a violation of women's right of privacy and their right to due process under the 14th Amendment. The Due Process Clause states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process.
The very obvious reasoning behind this ruling is that they wanted abortion to be legal so that it would be safe and so that the woman had a choice during her pregnancy. It was ruled that the first trimester would be up to the woman. The second trimester, the government can regulate abortion but not ban it. And then the third trimester, abortion is allowed only if the mother's health is at risk. So overall, they wanted abortion to be legal because at the end of the day, it is a woman's body and it is a woman's choice. If she is not willing to raise the baby and does not want to give it up for adoption, she has the right to abort it.
So the impact of the ruling of Roe v. Wade continues to influence modern-day abortion discussion and the feminism movement as a whole. It's made abortions legal and much safer, and it's also affected more than 30 Supreme Court cases. I thought it would be kind of bad taste to make a Roe versus Wade meme, so instead, just a device to remember the case, I did Roe as in R-O-E, changed it to R-O-W, and it's like rowing away from abortion bans.